What's up, guys? In this video I'm going to show you how to install the Panhard Correction Kit from DR KDSS. I lifted my Forerunner in more than 4 inches, but I didn't know that you have to install this in order to correct the Panhard. So these are the tools that you're going to use: 19, 18, adjustable wrench, pry bar, and a torque wrench, and a bungee cord so you can hold the Panhard. First thing you're gonna wanna do is lift up your truck on the sides so you can release the pressure of the bar. You can see the bar right there. If you see it from the back, it's kind of crooked, it's not level. So we're gonna install the correction kit over here and try to make it level. First thing you want to do is loosen up the passenger side bolt, and then you're gonna go to the driver's side and remove the bolt and hang it with a bungee cord. I'll show you right now. Put it aside. So you're gonna remove the clip for the ABS brake line, I believe, or ABS sensor, and just put a zip tie on it right now before you forget. Put it on the side. Then we're gonna hold the Panhard with a bungee cord so you can work in here, and we're gonna try to expand this bracket so the new bracket can fit in. On the updated video from DR KDSS, he grind down this bracket from the clip a little bit so the nut can clear on the back. And we're gonna try doing it right now with the Dremel. And this is how much I grind it down. So I guess one of the bolts goes here, or the nut, so you can clear. Just a little bit. Yeah. Now you're gonna put this wing nut in the bottom hole, but the longer part is gonna be facing the front of the vehicle. Fit it into here. Go this way, like this. The nut facing up, and that's it. You make sure that it's sitting on the kind of like in the middle. This line is getting on the way. It's not letting me put the correction bracket. So you're gonna try to bend it a little bit or just get it out of the way. Now we're gonna put the bracket. Use your factory bolt and fit it through and tighten it by hand. Not all the way though. You can just put the bottom bolt from the bottom. Try to catch up the threads on the wing nut that you just put, and just tighten it by hand, like this. Now you're gonna put your main bolt, the one that holds the Panhard, with a nut through the back, and tighten it by hand. Now you wanna do the bottom bolt. Tighten down the side one. Just with the ratchet. We're not torquing it down yet. The nut from the back, from the Panhard bracket, and hold it with the adjustable wrench or a 21 wrench, and then you're gonna tighten it by hand. We're not torquing it down yet. Now we're gonna torque down the passenger side bolt to 90 foot-pounds. That's what you want. And on the rest of the bolts, we're gonna torque it down to 125. That's what DR KDSS says, so we're gonna do it that way. or if you can do it, we're trying it that way, but the wrench was getting stuck. So this is what I come up with: the wrench in the back, and I'm holding it with a screwdriver. That way nobody gets hurt. But the bracket for the brake line, and you're done. This is the final product. Now you can see the bar is corrected, is straight, perfectly straight. Got my sumos. So I hope you guys like the video. Like and subscribe. I barely start my channel, so I'm gonna start making more content. I'm gonna try to make a new video every weekend.